If you have looked for a cheap iron remover on Amazon, chances are you've come across this product here. It is Car Care Haven Iron Remover X, the ultimate Iron X knockoff, right? Now this product here is $10 a bottle. You can get a whole gallon of it for 30 bucks. It's actually less than 30 bucks. But you're probably wondering, does it even work? Like, does it? And look, I tried it on multiple vehicles. I've tried it on dirty wheels, and I'm here to tell you this works. Now, is it the best iron remover? Probably not. But I will say I have used it to clean some filthy wheels, and it worked very well. So well that when it got low, I watered it down so I can get a little bit more out of it, and it still worked. It took that brake dust right off. So I know it's a knockoff. It doesn't turn purple, right? It has no purple reaction. So whenever you apply it under the car paint, which by the way, it's safe to apply anywhere on a vehicle, when you apply it, it will not change colors like Iron X or other iron removers will. So just keep that in mind. And like it says here, allow 3 minutes for the product to soak away contaminants. So spray it, let it soak, and then give it a rinse. I did this before I went on to the clay bar. You can use a clay mitt, whatever you prefer. But if you want something good to remove contaminants on your paint or wheels, this here. If you're trying to save money, I'm telling you right now, it works. I know with Amazon, it can be a little tricky because a lot of those reviews are fake. And as far as I know, that's the only place that sells this. So you see it on Amazon, you're thinking about it, you're not sure. It's a safe buy. It does work. Just don't expect that purple reaction, right? Don't expect to see it. I know it's a visual thing. It doesn't mean it doesn't work better than another product. It still works. Just keep that in mind. And like I said, you can get a really good deal because 30 bucks for a gallon, it's pre-mixed. You're not going to mix it down anymore. But still, you got a gallon of it for, I think it's 28 bucks and some change. So if I was looking for some right now and I was on a budget, a small budget, I didn't have much money to spend, I would definitely not hesitate to buy this product.